broken and devastated Darshan Manji a lot. And he was very angry because he thought that if that mountain was not there, her wife could have been saved and this unfortunate incident would not have occurred. This unfortunate incident would not begin like this. So he was very angry, but his anger was so much that he decided to turn into an action and take hammer and chisel and go towards mountain and start breaking the rocks. Many people thought that he has gone mad. They chastised him and mocked him, and they spread various rumors about him that he has gone berserk because his wife is no longer alive. So, but Dasharatha did not listen to anyone, and he kept on breaking rocks one by one, slowly. Okay, and it went on for like 22 years. And initially people thought that it's impossible to break a mountain, like no human could do so, like not even man. But after 20 years, people were surprised seeing there was a gap in the mountain, there was a division in the mountain. It was like 110-meter long and 90-meter wide, and people could not believe what Dasharatha had done. People asked him like, how could we do this? How could you keep doing work for 22 years in scorching sun?